Another Indian-flagged crude oil tanker safely passed through the Strait of Hormuz under escort from the Indian Navy. Noida-based Indian robotics solution has delivered over 150 indigenous Chetak Kamikaze FPV drones to the Indian Army. INS Nireekshak has arrived in Colombo to train Sri Lankan divers, as part of the India-Sri Lanka diving exercise. The second acceptance documents for the 5th Cavalry-class submarine under Project 75 were signed, marking its formal handover to the Indian Navy. Pakistan Army is now evaluating the Chinese Sh-16 155mm 52 caliber wheeled self-propelled howitzer, after the Sh-15 self-propelled howitzer showed high dispersion and inconsistent accuracy in operational conditions. India and Germany have concluded a roadmap for defense industry cooperation and identified priority areas for co-development and production of military equipment. During the visit of Indian Defence Minister Rajnath Singh to Germany, the German Defence Minister stated that Project 75 is on track, and the $8 billion deal will be finalized within the next 3 months. German firm AeroDO AG and India's Dynaton Systems have partnered to develop 5-ton AeroForce X-HAL UAV that will deliver 40-hour endurance at 50,000 feet, a payload capacity of 1,300 kilograms. Tata Elxsi has delivered the center fuselage assembly jig for CATS Warrior to Hindustan Aeronautics, marking a shift from design maturity to prototype build-up, ahead of a planned 2027 first flight. The precision jig aligns over 435 parts with aerospace-grade accuracy, enabling assembly of its core structure, while integrating key systems like landing gear, fuel, and air intakes. The DRDO is developing a next-generation hypersonic tracking radar that can detect targets above Mach 5 despite plasma interference. It uses L-band AESA with gallium nitride high-power modules and space-time adaptive processing to filter plasma noise, while artificial intelligence-driven cognitive radar adapts frequencies in real time to track maneuvering hypersonic glide vehicles. The Indian Air Force has issued a tender for an indigenous weapon integration tester for Su-30 aircraft, aimed at achieving full sovereignty over weapons integration. The system will act as a digital bridge between aircraft and weapons, enabling ground-based validation of compatibility without relying on Russian source codes. That will allow seamless integration of Indian and foreign origin weapons, overcoming long-standing restrictions on Russian origin platforms. The upcoming Rafale F-5 standard fighter jets will feature enhanced BVR combat capability, by increasing its Meteor missile carriage from the current maximum 4 missiles to 6 missiles, using additional wing wet hard points, a configuration that is technically feasible, but constrained by aerodynamic drag. Dassault Aviation will address this drag through propulsion upgrades, notably the upgraded Safran M88 DIVEX engine, that will deliver higher thrust and compensate for additional drag. Following a successful underwater pontoon test in late 2024, India is preparing to conduct firing trials of its submarine-launched cruise missile from a Cavalry-class submarine, to validate launch dynamics, integration with submarine fire control systems, and real-world submerged performance. The submarine-launched missile weighs around 975 kilograms and offers a range of 500 kilometers, which is extendable to 800 kilometers. Today's top 3 comments.